So, hello guys, today we're gonna play Heartopia. So, welcome to my channel. If you go play Heartopia, you gotta wait download to download it. And here we are. So, if you wanna do task, here's some tutorials for everyone. You need to do daily tasks. You need to do 6 tasks. And you can ride a vehicle too. And you can build houses and buy clothes and decorate your house. You can buy furnitures here. If you don't want to ride your car, then just go to the bus. This is the clothing shop. And you can go up here too. And you can press this. And you can create your hair. But we have a secret here that my friend Millie knows. 3, 2, 1. Here. You can buy some things, but you can create your own character. Beautiful or good. And you can decorate your profile. If you wanna decorate your profile, just do this. Press your profile picture and edit avatar and okay. So we're gonna go plant now. Wait, if you wanna buy some seeds, just go here to Blank, the gardening mentor. If you wanna track him, just press him and track.